This video is going to show you how to fix a print driver issue that happens occasionally with the Epson P800s. If you go to print on the P800 and you go into print settings and you don't see printer options, go ahead and cancel, and what you're going to have to do is remove the current we're going to have to remove the current printer. And so here we're going to choose that, and we're going to say remove printer, and then we're going to say add printer and scanner. Now when we click this, you need to make sure that your printer is on, and if there's a switch for the printer, a USB switch to control it between two computers, make sure the light is on the side for your computer. So I'm going to go ahead and hit add printer. Here we see the Epson SC-P800. That is what we want, but we need to come in and say select software, because by default it's trying to use a Dymo label printer. So we want to hit Epson SC-P800, hit OK, hit add. It will connect. Now we see it there. Now if I go into print settings, I should have printer options. If I don't, I need to go ahead and restart Lightroom. So I'm going to quit. I'm going to relaunch Lightroom. And now if I go into printer settings, we should see printer options. So this is what we were looking for. Hope that helps.